When you're about to give a presentation and the slide deck's already been created, have you ever wondered if there's a way to get some feedback and some suggestions how you can improve? Well, there is. PowerPoint has a presenter coach fully built in that will do just that. Let me show it to you. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. Here I am in PowerPoint. I prefer to use the desktop version because it's got more features. Here's a presentation that I've already recorded as a video. If you're curious, I will put the link up in the iCards above. So, what is this coach? You can find under the slideshow tab this option, Rehearse with Coach. It's basically going to ask you to run the presentation and it's going to record you and then give you some feedback on it. I've only got 9 slides. We'll do a little bit. It is AI, to reassure you. It's not going to save or do anything with this information. It is literally recording it to be able to give you some feedback. That recording is deleted immediately afterwards. So let's click Rehearse with Coach. It starts the presentation and you can see as you rehearse, we'll give you feedback on how you're presenting. Then at the end, you get a summary. So let's click Got It. And you can see the coach is just starting up. And you've got the option Show Real-Time Feedback. I'm going to leave this on so you can see it. However, my personal preference is to actually switch it off. You should be focusing on the slide deck and what you're saying, not focusing on what the feedback is. When I've used it, I've found it quite off-putting. So let's click Start Rehearsing. And basically it's telling you to start talking. So you can see that it's giving feedback immediately. This is a Windows 11 upgrading. So let's talk about your potential new device. Microsoft has stopped the standard updates as from October, so you might need to now look at getting a new device, and your choice is, do you upgrade or purchase a new device? Just because your laptop may tell you that you can upgrade to Windows 11 might not be the right choice for you. And things to consider are impact on the hardware. Just because you've got a new OS, is it going to actually run at a reasonable speed? Likewise, the overall speed, is it going to let you get on with stuff, or are you going to spend time waiting for it to process? So just because you can upgrade doesn't automatically mean that you should. So let's take the first scenario, when upgrading makes sense. So you have a 3 to 4 year old mid-range desktop PVC with 8 gig RAM upgradable to 16 gig, 6th or 7th gen Intel Core i5 or i7 processor, compatible motherboard with available TPM header, adequate power supply and hard drive as primary storage. For this system, these are some existing numbers. Let's talk really fast so you can actually see what this is like. And we'll see. It should actually tell me if I'm talking really, really fast. So actually I should slow down and make things happen. And of course, there you go. Try speaking a bit slower. So it is actually doing it. But here's the point. I'm looking down at the feedback rather than focusing on what I'm actually saying and showing. So let's whiz through this. It's going to give me some feedback. So blah, 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 blah. And let's end the show. Now it's giving me the rehearsal report. This can be quite interesting. So good job rehearsing, keep up the hard work. So apparently I only rehearsed 8 slides and I only spent 2 minutes. You can see I did basically an something that you can do. Apparently my variety of word choice was good enough. The pace, that's really interesting, considering that my pace was too slow and too fast. It gives you some information that you might find useful. I can choose to close this, or I can choose to rehearse again. But it gives you that little bit of information if you're not used to presenting, speaking. It gives you some information to take away and help you improve. Found this video useful? Please give it a thumbs up and remember to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be told as new videos just like this one become available. I'll see you next time.